Hi guys, welcome to our channel. This is our Disneyland 2025 story. This is what happened to me and my kids in Disneyland. I hope you can watch till the end and you'll see how we enjoy, how we strive hard to make the day, and how did we end up borrowing the wheelchair from Disneyland. Thank you to Disneyland staff. They are really so helpful. We also have this disability pass, so we don't need to fall in line. We just have to wait kung ilan yung waiting time na nandun sa bawat ride. Then we just go back when they say 20 minutes. We can just roam around and go back after 20 minutes. And it's very helpful kasi Drogo no need to queue in the line na siksikan, maraming tao. So it's really helpful for us. Kahit late kaming dumating sa Disneyland Park, nakakapag-rides pa rin ang kids ng marami because of dun sa special pass na binibigay ng Disneyland for those kids or adults na merong disability. It's very helpful. Na-enjoy namin ang aming Disneyland because of that. And also, yung DAS, yung disability pass, it can cover up to 6 person, including yung nasa name ng DAS. So, up to 6 person, makakapag free entry rin together with dun sa mayroong disability pass. Also, you don't have to worry sa magpipicture sa inyo. Napakababait ng mga nakasalamuha or nakasama namin sa Disneyland. They really take time to take good pictures of us. Thank you po sa inyo for those who take picture of us. Thank you po. Hi! It's our day 1 here. And we're going to Disneyland. Yeah, we're going to Disneyland. And Drogo doesn't want to change dress, so I don't want to fight him. He's supposed to have a matching dress like Elsa, but he doesn't want to change. Yeah. So see you later when we arrived. On the way to Disneyland on our first day, nag-taxi na lang kami ng kids kasi we are from a 20 hours flight galing kami ng Ghana, West Africa. So, we're still tired and antok, but we cannot waste our day 1. So, we still want to proceed sa Disneyland. So, nag-taxi na lang kami. Ito rin pala yung day na makukuha namin yung aming annual pass na binili namin online nung May 20th anniversary yung Disneyland. May naka-promo sila na 20% discount if you buy 4 na annual pass. So this is the day we will get pala yung annual pass kasi hindi kami makabook or makapag-reserve ng day visit namin unless makuha namin yung aming physical card na nandun yung membership na number. Kaya talagang nag-proceed kami dun sa Disneyland ng day 1 na yan. And pagkakuha nga namin nung Disneyland na pass namin, here are the happy kids, excited to eat Olaf. So yun guys, pagkakuha namin ng aming annual pass, hindi na kami ni-require for reservation. Automatic ni-reserve na kami nung nag-register sa amin. And ni-remind kami na don't forget to reserve every time you'll go to Disneyland. So yung amin, kasi it's just a silver pass, so we are allowed to reserve na 2 date at a time yung naka-reserve. Pero after ma-use mo yung first day, you can reserve another day if you want. So guys, price reveal tayo. Nakuha namin yung aming annual pass na silver. Ang adult is 1,254 Hong Kong dollar and yung kids is 942 Hong Kong dollar. So chinek ko sa peso, parang 9,000 Philippine pesos yung sa adults, yung sa akin. And yung sa kids, parang nasa 6,700 pesos. Which is for me is very sulit kasi it's valid for 1 year. Kaya lang, kahit July na namin nakuha yung aming annual pass, ang validity niya is June 30. So, mag-e-expired siya June 30 of 2026 pa. So, magagamit namin siya for the whole year. And since silver lang kami, allowed lang kami gamitin yung annual pass every weekdays lang. Bawal siya pag weekend and pag holiday. Pero, meron naman siyang free. Pag naka 5 entry na kayo, meron siyang free na weekend or holiday na pass. So, if i-compare nyo siya, dun sa talagang price ng regular yung daily rate pass ng Disneyland, konti lang talaga yung difference. So, for me, this is very sulit. So, sometimes, nagsisale din naman talaga si Hong Kong Disneyland ng mga annual pass nila. I-check nyo lang lagi sa website nila. Pero yung sa amin, nakuha namin yon, bali yung promo niya hanggang June 30, 2025 lang eh. That's the promo for the 20th anniversary of Disneyland. Eto rin pala guys, may natutunan ako. When you book a taxi, mas malapit ka niya ibababa kasi dun sa taxi stand ka niya ibababa. Pero when you book an Uber, no, ang layo ng pagbababaan sa'yo. Parang dun sa may mga service pa, mga private service, ang layo na nilakad namin nung nag-Uber kami. Unlike pag taxi yung sinakyan, mas malapit. Dun na siya almost dun sa mga buses, mga shuttle buses ng mga hotel ng Disneyland. Malapit na ron. So for me, mas gusto ko dun ibababa. So dun yung pag-taxi, pag sa Uber ang layo. And we're here na sa Disneyland. So I hope you enjoy our 3 days Disneyland adventure. May day 4 pa yan pero hindi na namin napuntahan yung day 4 kasi nag-start na yung bagyo. We're here! Ayan, finally nakahiram din tayo ng phone kay Drogo. There, oh, I'll buy you bubbles there. There. Bubbles there. Ilan muna natin si Drogo ng bubbles para ma-happy siya. Ayun, maganda kasi ano oh, Minnie Mouse ba yan? My kids are here. Hi! We're back. Show your bubbles. Wow! So fast! Hi! Video kita! It's video!
Mickey Mouse waffle.
Is it nice?
Yes. I'm giving the birds some.
You're giving the bird some food? Kita is giving food to the bird. Ah. How was your Mickey Mouse waffle? Kita.
Yeah, I give the other one.
You give the other one. Ito na nga yung story guys, kasi sobrang init sa Disneyland nung time na nagpunta kami. As in, sobrang init, walang hangin, talagang mainit talaga. And si Nelsa na asthma na siya. So paglagpas namin dun sa may parang entrance, kung saan i-check yung mga things, naghingi na ako ng help sa guard. Sabi ko, if we can borrow na yung ano nila, yung wheelchair nila. Nag-borrow kami ng wheelchair sa Disneyland. So, pinahiram naman kami guys hanggang sa makarating kami sa taxi. Kesa mapagod si Nelsa kasi medyo mahaba pa yun eh, lalakarin from the entrance of Disneyland hanggang dun sa may taxi stand. Sobrang haba pa niya. So, pinahiram kami ng ano, ang bait nila. Pinahiram kami ng wheelchair for free. And then, sinoli na lang namin. Nung nandun na kami sa taxi stand, bali, inakampanihan kami ng isang security staff nila. Tapos, nung nakasakay na kami sa taxi, binalik na namin yung wheelchair. So, buti na lang, naka-annual pass kami. So, okay lang kasi makakabalik-balik naman kami. Yun nga yung ginawa ko. So, nag-reserve kaagad ako ng 2 days na Disneyland namin. Kaya, then, after namin magamit yung first day, nag-reserve ako ng pang 4th day ng Disneyland. And sa hotel, ayan, I gave medicine to Nelsa and may dala rin kami nebulizer. Naging okay naman siya. Tapos, in-enjoy na lang namin yung hotel sa Chimchatsoy. And then, in-enjoy din namin yung 7-Eleven. And then, nag-rest kami. Nag-plenty of rest kami. Maaga kaming natulog to prepare ourselves sa Disneyland Day 2. Ayan guys, makikita nyo yung area na yan. Napakaganda talaga ng area sa TST. Ayan, tulog na yung mga anak ko dyan. Talagang bagsak pa kasi nag-a-adjust din kami sa time kasi 8 hours yung difference ng where we came from sa Ghana and sa Hong Kong. Ayan, rule number 2, bring all your kids' medicine, nebulizer if may asthma, allergy meds kung ano man yung allergy, and stop na ang adventure kapag hindi na kaya ng kids. Huwag nang i-push through, stop na, take time to rest. Sobrang nakakaaliw talaga guys dito sa Tsim Sha Tsui sa pinagstayan namin ng first 2 nights kasi marami kang shopping na mabibilan both ends, mura, mahal, very mahal, lahat nandyan makikita nyo dyan, and ang daming kainan, street food, fine dining, lahat na nandyan. Sobrang nakaka-enjoy talaga sa area na yan. Talagang binuko talaga na first 2 nights namin dyan. Kasi gusto ko talagang maramdaman namin talaga na yung Hong Kong vibes ba, talagang nandyan talaga sa area na yan eh.
Hey guys, it's our Disneyland Day 2.
Okay.
Hi, it's our Disneyland
Day 2! O diba guys, from dun sa pinuntahan namin na taxi, kung saan kami bumaba, lalakarin pa yan diretso hanggang doon kay Mickey Mouse Fountain. Tapos another, hindi naman sobrang layo, pero another walk going dun sa may i-check yung bag nyo. Pero allowed naman mag-bring ng food. Basta wag lang sobrang dami. Day 2! Okay.
Guys, we're back here in Disneyland. And Drogo is much relaxed today than yesterday. I'll show you the castle. It's 5:30, but it's still, the sun is still up. So we need to buy some water first, I think. Okay, let's buy water first. Okay. Churros also. Right here. We're buying churros. To stay in place, we buy the Mickey Mouse waffle yesterday. Same food they are eating. The egg puff. Here it is. That is it. We wanted to buy churros, but it's not available. So, bumili na lang sila ng egg puff.
Yeah, so good.
And nakikipalamig sila sa pinto. Malamig kasi dito galing doon no, sa mga bilihan ng mga souvenirs. Dati, nung nagpunta kami rito, dalagat pinata pa yung mga kapatid ko. Binilan ko sila ng mga ganyang t-shirt, yung may mga design sa ilalim. Hanggang ngayon, ganyan pa rin pala. Oh. Blue kay Kaloy and yellow kay Janine. Ayan o, red sa amin ni Kay. Ayan, dati. So, I'll check the price later pag may chance.
You're still in that job. You'll get a next job when you fix it.
Tita said she will ride in the carousel after the Winnie the Pooh.
Now it's a good job.
Winnie the Pooh. Get a good bench here under the tree. So, we're not rushing to ride. We're just taking our time. And we're just enjoying the Disneyland Park.
Yeah. To the right. Let's go down, guys. Now, let's find our mom. Bye.
Hi! We're waiting. Arrange your seat. We're waiting for the Winnie the Pooh ride. Yeah. We have special pass because of Drogo. It's called DAS. Yeah. For people who has ASD or any disability, they have special this one. Ito gusto ni Drogo. Favorite niya dito. Yeah, papunta na rin to dun sa favorite mo sa Mystic Manor. One is there. Kita! Ang ganda ni Mickey, oh. Wow. Kita! Kita! Yeah. Ganda. Loka is here. Let's go na. The castle at night. So we are confused whether we'll go home now or we're gonna wait for the fireworks because we don't want to stress Drogo with lots of people.
Don't know, last time when we went fireworks, it was super cold.
Yeah, okay. So we are walking in the main street at night. Hi to my channel.
Hi! Wait, 19?
Since 1902. Pero ang ganda paggabi, no? So nice. So nice paggabi. Ice cream shop. Do you like some ice cream?
Yes!
Okay. Me, okay. It's apple. Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay.
It's dog. Oh, you have more like little stuffy. Dog. It's so bad.
And it's so malamig here. We should stand for a while. Guys, cheers! Cheers! Cheers!
Like a
Picture.
I like the sprinkle that they use.
Yeah. Just slowly.
And it's
Bye, Mickey!
It's so pretty for gabi na.
Yeah, may ilaw yung water, no? So pretty paggabi.
Bye!
Sana nakikita sa camera. Ang ganda. Yeah.
Look at that.
So marami din umuwi, oh. Kala ko kami lang. Marami rin na hindi na manonood ng ano, no? Fireworks. Kasi sobrang dami yung tao later. And because Drogo doesn't really like crowd. And marami din, oh. Ang dami rin umuwi. Hey guys, tamang-tama lang yung baba namin. Right? We're just in time, right?
Yeah.
We're just in time for the bus.
I thought the bus is gonna be put out.
Yeah. We're just in the bus going to Tongchong because we will try the MTR today. So, ayan yung daanan na papunta ng Nyongping. And then, ayun yung bake house, guys. And doon tayo galing, dyan. And nag-walk tayo from here to
There.
the currency exchange. So, because it's late na, hindi na kami magte-train. Magta-taxi na lang kami. Papuntang Disneyland. Magte-train sana kami, kaya lang naubusan kami ng cash. And yung pagbili doon, hindi tumatanggap ng ano, hindi sila tumatanggap ng card. Puro cash lang. Eh, wala kaming cash. So, ayan. It's video pala. Ikaw rin, sunod ikaw rin. Video mo? I was so happy. Hi everyone!
Hi.
We are in Disneyland.
Day 3!
Olaf.
Why can't Olaf was just nothing?
Check if you like something else,
I just want Olaf.
Just want Olaf. Here, oh. They have here, oh. Pero iba.
On? Where?
Iba eh. Sino yan? I don't know. Si Daffy. Si Daffy. Look at here, Nelsa. Kita. Look at mommy. You ask them if they have Olaf. No Olaf? Okay, let's climb. Here, kita!
Wala yung ice
All of muffin.
We're gonna devour Olaf. What is this marshmallow?
Ayun yung napanood natin, di ba? Ito, yung parang stick.
And we also watch this one.
Yeah.
What is this marshmallow?
I think it's a tea.
Marshmallow?
Yes. You want that? It's hard to eat that unless we sit down. So which one do you like? They also have churros here. We buy the churros here, guys. Ito, oh, may churros din sila.
Yes.
Yeah. So what and what do you like? Tell me what and what.
Ice cream.
Okay.
I want the churros and
And-
the ice cream, of course, and
Do you have ice cream here? Ah, the ice cream is here. You're right.
yes.
Yeah, it's here.
And all of
Okay.
I like that.
I want, how many Olaf? You like ice cream with the Olaf too? Okay.
For me,
What?
the Olaf celebration cake and the churros.
Okay. Yeah, one churros. It's not even, it's not even mainit pero, sunny pero mainit pa rin,
This sun is disappearing.
We are here. Logo is sleeping.
Guess what character this looks like?
Give me this one.
Olaf baby?
Smile, smile guys. Let me take picture of you. Smile. Yeah. Are you ready for me now? Okay. So two Olaf ice cream, one churros, and then which one? One celebration cake. And then what is for you? You like the chocolate donuts?
Yes.
Then the Olaf royal chocolate
ice
donuts.
cream.
One donut, one celebration cake, and then one
Churros
churros,
and two Olaf. Yeah, two Olaf. Yeah. Smile. Wow. Okay, I'm coming. Wow.
Blue. Yeah, the bones.
Okay, thank you. Wait for your ice cream.
Wait, this is similar. Here. I don't want to touch this.
Okay, take picture with Olaf ice cream.
Mama, eat his hand.
Eat the hand of Olaf.
No, the head.
So left with one ice cream.
I ate his hair.
We have been watching this, so they are so excited to eat Olaf.
I ate Olaf. The viral Olaf ice cream.
Yeah.
I ate Olaf in her.
And we are in Arendelle. And Drogo is sleeping na.
He's sleeping relaxing.
And these are my happy kids.
I'm gonna eat Olaf's arm. No, eat the head. It's really yummy. The marshmallow cookie. No.
Sobrang saya nila. Since yesterday, we're looking for this. Kaya lang kahapon, ang daming tao. So sabi ko, today na lang kami bibili. And it's true today, wala masyadong tao, right?
And I was right, it was in Arendelle.
Yeah, it's in Arendelle.
I'm gonna do this other arm.
Pakita ko sa inyo guys, napakaganda ng spot namin. Wow. This is the best spot so far that we seated, right?
Hi.
Inside Arendelle, in front of the fountain, and in front of the, yung frozen roller coaster.
I want to go there.
Puro pedo de esas personas.
是我的夜山。不是。
乌鸦仔，
没呀噻。
可以叫乌鸦仔。
贵了，
最便宜的就50，最贵120。
Wow, they're eating.
Stick shift, I am.
Yeah.
I mean his paw. Because his hand is like this.
Yeah. Actually, the fireworks is still 9 p.m. But sometimes, as early as 6:30, marami ng tao dito. There's so many people already. Yeah. They are already securing yung spot nila para magkaroon sila ng magandang shot ng fireworks, ng Momentus later. Yan, dyan. So we're going now to the castle because it's already 8:30 in the evening. So the Momentus or the fireworks is 9 p.m. So everybody is heading to the castle to watch the fireworks, the Momentus.
Yun nga guys, nag-meltdown si Jobo
Buhatin ko!
kasi biglang nasiksik kami. Yung napwestuhan namin, hindi siya open space, may bakod siya. Yung mga short na bakod na nakapaligid sa mga grass, dun sa may malapit dyan sa castle. So wala na, nasa may gilid na kami and nagme-meltdown na si Drogo. Pero may mga tumatalon din mga Chinese, pa-exit na sila. They don't want to finish the Momentus din. So ginaya na lang namin guys, imagine tumalon ako doon. Tapos sunod si Drogo and si Controller and that is our story of our Disneyland July 2025. I hope guys na-inspire namin kayo and may natutunan kayo from our journey. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe so that you can see more of our travel journey. Thank you for watching.